what's up guys, I'm Dina, here representing my friends from the Yogyakarta group in Yogyakarta. So in this remote competition, I want to share to you guys about the result of Landsliade hazard parameter map of special region of Yogyakarta. So what are the landslide prone parameters and why choose in Yogyakarta? So Yogyakarta often experiences landslides. The DIY Regional Disaster Management Agency said in the period 2018 to 2022, there has been an increase in the frequency of landslides. And in the last 5 years, there have been more than 100 cases of landslides in Yogyakarta. Throughout 2022, there will even be 707 cases of landslides in Yogyakarta. Therefore, our parameters that cause landslides occur in the special region of Yogyakarta. These parameters include 1. Rainfall. For heavy rain will saturate the soil for structure with water. And second, slope areas with hilly morphology that have sand. The very steep slopes can also pose environmental problems related to landslides due to gravity. And the third, geological. So based on grain size, fine-grained rocks generally have a higher risk of soil movement, while in terms of compactness, compact and massive rocks are less likely to experience soil movement. And the last, land cover. It changes in land use such as deforestation or conversion of forested land into settlements can alter the characteristics of the land surface and increase the potential for landslides. So here we have rainfall map that we have 4 colors here representing the millimeters of rainfall. So the pink color is the moderate level with 11 to 25 millimeters, and then the yellow color is used to represent a very high level of rainfall, which means a value from 26 to 50 millimeters. And there are also light blue here. It has high levels that have 51 until 25 millimeters, and finally we have green color, the highest levels of rainfall that's exceeding 75 millimeters. So from this map, where's the highest rainfall? Of course, the highest rainfall that have green color in north of Sleman, and then blue color in Kulon Progo, north of Sleman, and also north of Gunung Kidul, and southeastern of Bantul district here, 1 dot here, and then from this we can calculate that Yogyakarta has yellow color the most, and that experiences a very high level of rainfall. And where's the moderate rainfall that can be found is only in Yogyakarta city with pink color, because Yogyakarta city is surrounded by the urban areas, and maybe in the impact in the rainfall. After that, we have block map here with green color and red, also orange and yellow color, and from this we can found easily that the highest is in red colors with more than 45%, and then the steep slope of 15 until 25% is shown by light green. Yes, and then in yellows, it has steep with a slope of 25 until 45%, and the lowest is 0 until 15% with the color of green and the color of green and light green. And where's the highest slope here? Of course, the highest slope here with red colors in Kulon Progo, north of Sleman, a lot of Gunung Kidul, and also southeast of Bantul. So the most forest that we have here in Gunung Kidul and Kulon Progo, because that area have dominated by highlands, mountains, and mountainous terrain. In Kulon Progo, we have prominent mountain ranges in the Menoreh Mountains, and also the Menoreh Mountains are home to famous peaks such as Mount Ijo, Mount Gajah, and Mount Menoreh. And then we have Gunung Kidul here, which there are numerous mountains and mountain ranges, including the Langren and Seno volcano, and have the north-south limestone mountains such as Bukit Tinggal is the one of the 19 limestone hills in the Gunung Kidul, and also in Bantul too. And also in Bantul, we have the Landsliade hazard parameter map of special region of Yogyakarta. So in this remote competition, I want to share to you guys about the result of Landsliade hazard parameter map of special region of Yogyakarta. So Yogyakarta has near the Gunung Kidul has a lot of mountainous terrain, and the most popular mountain in highlands here, it's a volcano. It calls volcanoes Mount Merapi in Indonesia, and that's the most dangerous volcanoes here north of this lake. After that, we have geology map here. It has a lot of pictures here that allowing the audience not only to know the location of rocks, but also to directly understand the shape and structure of rocks and the built through the region. So every single geological here have their own picture, and from this map we can also know that geological formations are weak or susceptible to weathering and erosion, such as certain volcanic pursuits can contribute to an increased risk of landslide. So what's the weak rock formation that causes landslide? It's called Kebubutan formation because this formation consists of integrated sandstone, shale, turf, and conglomerate with a thickness of over 600 Second, we have Wonosari formation that also can have big rock formation that can make landslides too, because this formation comprises limestone, marl, and shale, which are relatively weaker compared to other types of rock. So the Wonosari formation is here with a dark color in Gunung Kidul. So in here and also near Klaten and also in Kulon Progo here has the highest risk of landslide. And the last map, we have one cover map that a lot of colors here because it looks like a palette that is broken white. And from this map, we can found 23 land-covered sites in Yogyakarta. And where's the highest that caused landslide is, of course, open space like fields and airports, as well as residential and industrial areas, because it cannot, like stopping the water or have a good sanitation. They can have a good sanitation than in the forest. So of course the highest of landslide comes in this region. So where's the airport? It's near in the Yogyakarta city with here pink colors, and where's the industrial area? It has light yellow color in Kulon Progo here, and also little in Sleman here, and little in Gunung Kidul here, and also in Bantul. And where's the residential or urban area? Of course, with the blue light colors allowed in Yogyakarta city here, and near the industrial area in Gunung Kidul with the blue colors, light blue colors, and also the Kulon Progo here. That area high risk of landslide. So what's the information that we obtain is a lot. For specific maps are discussed is rainfall map, flood map, geological map, and land cover map. Each of these maps contributes to a better understanding of winter risk and an effective risk management. And how the process that we make that maps in Super Map. So we have to get special data, utilizing specific data sets, performing data interpolation and classification, designing maps with semantic elements, displaying base map, creating layouts with essential details, and finally setting the map results and projects. This map includes rainfall, slope, geological, and land cover map, each with existing data sources and design considerations. And the creation and utilization of these parameter maps are essential for reducing landslide risk in Yogyakarta. They provide valuable insights and information that can aid government authorities, researchers, and other stakeholders in developing strategies to address existing landslide threats and enhance disaster preparedness and response. So that's all from me, guys. Thank you for watching me, and see you next time.